Hello and welcome to another Iona Creates. Today she's going to show you how to make an oil weave diffuser.
With the help of an LOL called Snow Bunny.
Hello Snow Bunny.
Hello.
What do we need?
We need a glass jar. We need some reeds that Snow Bunny's trying to pick up. Or skewers. If you're using skewers, then cut off the sharp ends. Next, we need some carrier oil. We chose jojoba. This bottle's heavy, help me! Next, we need essential oil. We've chosen
lemon, lime, lavender and rosemary.
Next, put some carrier oil into your jar. Now's the fun part. You put the oils into the glass bottle and mix and match all of the things until you get the nice smell that you like. Have fun! The reeds!
Okay Snow Bunny, Iona's doing it.
Make sure to give it a good mix. You want to get all that smell and all of that all mixed in. Snow Bunny, would you like to smell it? Yes, please, Iona. That smells nice. Make sure to like and subscribe.